Hello. In this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is very simple. The universe was created from nothing, that is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from those changes in energy, virtual particles can be created, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from real particles a matter can be created, and that matter is actually our universe. So that is the answer for the first question. And the answer to the second question is that nothing was never created because it was always existed. Okay, so I can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created from nothing, that is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.